Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very quick and easy and so tasty homemade wholemeal bread. After this video you won't need to buy bread anymore. You won't need to knead a dough or use any bread maker. So no more excuses now to make bread. Continue watching the video to find out how to make this bread. For this recipe, use the same bowl of your choice to measure all your ingredients. 1 bowl of strong bread white flour, 1 bowl of wholemeal flour, 1 bowl of fine semolina, 1½ sachet of fast-action dried yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar for the yeast to activate rapidly, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In the mixer, yes, you heard well, in the mixer, add the fine semolina. Use the same bowl full of lukewarm water. Do not use hot water or your yeast won't activate and your bread will not rise. Add the sachet of yeast and the half teaspoon as well or 1½ sachet. And add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Blend well in your blender for about 3 minutes or until you see bubbles on the surface of your mixture. If you don't have a blender, use a hand blender, the result will be the same. Then, in a large bowl, add the strong white flour, the wholemeal flour, the teaspoon of salt, and the olive oil. Mix well all the ingredients together with your spoon. Make a well in the middle of the flour and add the blended semolina mixture. Stir well all the ingredients with your spoon until all the liquid is well combined with the flour. Your dough will be a little bit sticky. Remove the spoon and knead the dough with your hand for 1 minute or until it's less sticky. Then add a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of your bowl and on the dough so the dough don't stick. Cover with cling film and a clean towel and put it in a warm place to proof for about an hour until double the size. Prepare a baking tray covered with parchment paper. Preheat the oven at 240 degrees. As you can see, after an hour the dough has well risen. Sprinkle some semolina on a tray to shape the dough into round bread. Divide the dough into 2 equal sized balls. Start shaping the dough by pressing lightly on it, starting from the middle and going clockwise until you get a round bread. Turn your dough time to time and sprinkle with some semolina if your dough sticks to the tray. And repeat the same with the other ball. Place the bread on the baking tray. Cover the bread and leave to proof for another 20 to 30 minutes. Cut the bread on the top with a sharp knife. You can also make holes with a fork or just 1 hole in the middle. Then cook in a hot oven at 240 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. Check your bread after 20 minutes and continue checking until it's cooked. To check if your bread is cooked, turn the bread and tap it in the middle. If it makes a hollow sound, then the bread is cooked. Remove the bread from the baking tray and cover it well so it doesn't get hard. This step is very important if you want to have a very soft bread. Leave it covered for around 10 minutes. Et voilà, our yummy homemade bread is now ready. Believe me, you will not buy bread after tasting this delicious and healthy bread. You can eat it for breakfast when it's hot with some butter or serve it with a delicious homemade Moroccan tajine like I do. Bon appétit! I will leave the link of the homemade tajine in the description box. If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button, it's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. It's always nice and encouraging. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.